Excellent. So Andre, you're still, you can be considered still in the beginning of your career as a Coral Club distributor, but can you think back a little bit about your very first steps when you first became a distributor? Maybe tell us about that.
Oh, definitely. Hi, everyone. So my name is Andrei Melnik, and I live in New Jersey. I got into it with Coral Club 5 years ago and was a very active consumer since I came to a program to solve my health problems. After I got rid of number of problems, I began to share my results with my relatives, friends, and friends around me. And many of those around me also willingly began to use the product since results. But my sponsor at the time offered me the options to become a distributor. But I, like many of us, at the beginning of the journey, did not think this was a serious business. Since my construction business brought me a good income, I refused for 3 years in a row. But 2 years ago, I reconsidered my decision and became a distributor. And at this time turned out I got into the stream of the fast growing online business at the right time. I began to study the marketing plan because I had already established contact with the product, and during this time I even helped my mother get rid of varicose veins. But it turned out when sharing the results and invite people to meeting was not too easy for me. There is a big difference when you tell relatives versus a stranger. Before doing a phone number or going to Zoom for a meeting, I am a bit frightened. What it was forget to say something, what if they do not understand me or even ridicule me. But overcoming this fear of mine, I began to feel much more confident and act more decisively. When becoming a distributor, I began to develop in different directions. Before that, I had only one problem in my head, which was how to make more money, and there was no time to self-development at all. Therefore, my advice is everyone who is still think about entering this business or not. From my experience, I advise you not to waste time, but do actively connect to fast-growing business and build your network around the world. Max?
Okay, yes, thank you, Andre, very much for sharing that. And you said you're in a construction business.